So we received our iPhone 17 Pro Max. My wife had this old case for her 16 that she let me use. All the buttons line up. The only thing that doesn't work is here, but everything else lines up perfectly. So I ordered a case and it came in a day after the phone. So really happy with the phone. It's a good fit for this case, came off Amazon, but really happy with the phone. Everything's great. Then I ordered the Nomad. This is first unboxing of this, and this is the Nomad leather, and let's see, vegetable tanned leather from the US, dead cow in the US. Bumper offers. Now it's got the bumper. I went to Nomad because I knew, sorry for the shaking, that they had this outside bumper. My wife does have it on her phone, but she has the brown leather. I decided to get the black, and it really works really well. I think they call this one the modern. Yep, modern leather case for the iPhone Pro Max, and tactile camera control buttons, metal buttons, MagSafe. Although Nomad did not send this to me and I had to buy it. And let's see, this is assembled in China, designed in California. So I think we are shipping the dead cow skins over to China. And maybe this part, but it's assembled there, and metal buttons, has the MagSafe, feels like that little felt inside. Smooth leather on the outside, not rough, but good patina. And now you really won't, okay, let's see. Easy, goes on easy, much easier than this one. There it is. No protection for this, but I ordered another case just in case I need some protection for that. I'm not too worried about that. And other than that, it's pretty good. Do you see you don't really get to see the side here. When I had this one on, you could kind of see the outline. So you can't really tell what color it is. That's kind of interesting. So you don't really know what color this is. Really interesting. This is the only way you can know, so you're not showing anything off, so it doesn't matter what color you order. So hopefully that works out for you. I definitely recommend picking one up. It was easy when I was looking for a leather case. This is the Horween leather. Guess it's a little better dead cow or horse. Definitely recommend picking one up. I didn't have to look at other leather cases because if you have any issues, they're a pretty stand-up company, and they do a good job. Everything looks really good, lines up really well, enough space for everything, the ports and all that. The buttons should line up perfectly, and my wife likes it a lot. She has the brown. If she gets a scratch over time, it just goes right out. I don't think I'll notice much wear and tear. So even though it's a leather case, which gives you a really different feel than some plasticky case like this, which is pretty nice. But I definitely recommend it, and it'll wear really well. The black is going to especially wear real well. It shouldn't patina very much at all because it's a darker color.